It's not something that I do every day, but I'm gonna do it today. I hope you
Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty.
Really please guys, I hope I'm in frame because I'm struggling to be in frame when I'm using my back camera, but hopefully this time I am. So I hope you guys are doing good. I'm well, and today I'm filming what I eat in a day. Basically I'm just filming my morning, my whole day, because I was filming that on TikTok, and then those videos are doing good, so I thought I should just do them here on YouTube. So yeah, now I'm gonna make my smoothie. As a breakfast I'm gonna eat a smoothie, and then we're gonna see what we eat after that. It's not something that I do every day, but I'm gonna do it today. I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to like this video and click that subscribe button and become a part of this amazing family. It's about to be lit here, guys. Please don't go anywhere. Please tell your friends to tell their friends to subscribe to my channel, because girl, okay, let's start our day.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into mine. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every
Really please, nothing much. I'm just going to Pick and Pay to get some earrings. I'm going to Pick and Pay to get some few things and then come back. When I come back, I wanna sleep. And I said I'm gonna wash my hair, this one and the other one, the short one. But and Bonisana, I think I will see tomorrow because it's hot. Like gets office. So yeah, let's go to Pick n Pay, then come back. I'm craving ice cream. If I can find ice cream somewhere, I'm gonna buy it. So let's go, guys.
See your face like in my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby,
What's now for it one? I couldn't halu late when or the last option. Using a big camera, it's gonna kill us one day. Cause tell me why I was all this time I'm talking by myself. I'm not even recording. Guys, I was saying the only time I have a chance to pick up the camera, it's on weekends, because during the week I don't have time, ne? And then today I'm not going anywhere. I'm just sitting in the house fixing what I have to fix, because I'm cooking something. so I need to draft the contract. I need to do some calculations and then do some few calls. I don't know ngoba today it's Saturday if I will get them or what, but then I will keep on trying. If not, then I will try again Monday. I did call yesterday and then they told me that as they can put me through to someone that's gonna assist me, but yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna keep on trying. What else? I was saying something, I don't remember what I was saying, but then made breakfast, worked out, and then took a bath, and then I slept. I just woke up now, and then yeah, I wanna do a few things, and then yeah, I think I'm gonna upload this video tomorrow, if not then on Monday. So yeah, I hope you do enjoy. Subscribe, like the video, share, comment, yes. So bye for now.